Yes, good morning. And today we are going to study about half adder and full adder. Okay, half adder and full adder. I guess you have understood how we do addition and subtraction of binary numbers. हमने किया है क्या इसके पहले? We have done already that in say addition and subtraction. So let me start on that. So just hold for a second. Yes. So let us start with that. What are the rules for addition and subtraction? If you remember some of the rules, so we can have 1 plus, 0 plus 0 was equal to 0, 0 plus 1 was equal to 1, 1 plus 0 was equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 will give you 1 with a carry 1, right? 1 1. So we'll have two, sum and carry. So we'll require two symbols, that is sum and carry. So carry will be 0 in this time, and it will be high only when it is the both are 1. So this is the situation for sum and carry. This is for one bit addition, right? What we are adding? We are adding one bit only. Okay? So these are the rules. And if you see this addition, 0 plus 0 will give you, the sum will be 0, the carry will be 0. So we'll have two outputs and two inputs. 0 plus 1 will give you, the sum will be 1, carry will be 0. Similarly, 1 plus 0 will give you sum 1 and carry 0. And last, yes, this is not there. So this is 1 plus 1 will give you sum 0 with a carry 1. Have you got this? And now just recall this. I'm just replacing these plus sign and I'm trying to make this as a truth table. So I'm just making this as a truth table. Just see how I'm converting this. So this is the truth table. This is sum and carry. These are the two inputs, A and B, right? So what I have done, A and B are the two inputs. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 are the probabilities in which we are always giving the inputs, right? And we are having two outputs, the sum and the carry. So sum will have 0 1 1 0, whereas carry will have 0 0 0 1. And if you see this truth tables, do you remember any gate according to the result of sum and according to the result of carry? Which gate, according to this truth table, this is actually the truth table of truth table of और बोलते जाइए और गेट नहीं और गेट में ये भी वन देन दिस इज XOR gate. Yes, exactly. So this is the truth table of XOR gate, and this is the truth table of AND gate, right? So using these two gates, we can build a half adder circuit. So simple half adder circuit, I am going to show you. This is a half adder circuit, which we call it as half adder. And to implement that, we will be using this truth table, right? So we'll be having two inputs, input A and input B. So I'm using these two lines for that. So I'm mentioning these as A and B, two inputs. I will be using two lines like this, a gate, which I'm going to call this as this output as sum. This is the XOR gate, simplest. Then for carry, I'll be again using the same two lines and I'll be giving it to a AND gate. And I will be calling this as the carry. So this will become a half adder. Is it? It will work as an half adder. This terminal will be calling it as sum, and this terminal will be calling it as carry. Now remember why we were studying this. Why we are studying this gates to have some application of it. Now this is the first application that these gates can be used as an adder circuit.